Hello, this is Sandi Renteria with workwithsandi.com, and today I just want to shoot a really quick tutorial on how to help you turn off all those annoying sounds or notification noises that you hear on Facebook. And it really is kind of annoying when you're trying to do a screencast or you're on a webinar and you constantly hear those notifications. It's like a little ding. And so it's really simple to turn off. And so the first thing that you will do is go to your Facebook, go up here to your bar, and you will click on that little gear box. Click on that, scroll down, go to account settings. Then you're going to go over here on the left side to notifications. Click on that, and it says how to get your notifications right here on this very first line. It says on Facebook, all notifications sound on. So to be able to turn that noise off, you will be able to just click on that, uncheck this, hit save, and you're good to go. So that now while you're doing your screencast or if you're on a webinar, you won't hear those little chimes or dings or whatever you want to call them. And then another thing is, like for instance, if I made a comment, I'll go over here to this little world here on the bar as well. And for instance, let's see, if I made a comment on something, like for instance this, if I don't want to hear anything, sorry, that's really not what I wanted to do. Let me go back to my home page, and I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. If I go into this little world, let me go back down here, like right here. I've commented on this particular post, and now it's notifying me, giving me a notification that somebody else has liked it or they've commented on the same post. If I do not want to get those notifications that somebody either liked it or commented, all you have to do is scroll down here, find this little X on the right hand side, click on that, and right here it just tells you unfollow or keep on. So if you want to unfollow it, just click on that and you're good to go, and you won't get notified for any of those posts anymore. Other than that, that is probably all that there is to it. It's super simple. I hope you got some value out of this, and if you did, please feel free to like it, share it, comment. If you have any other questions about Facebook or YouTube, any type of training that you'd like, please comment about that, and I'll try to help you out as the best that I can. If you are watching this on my blog, I would love it if you would put your name and email address in. I promise I won't spam you. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, and then you will be up to date on all my videos that I do. And I will be doing, this is I think my video number 28 out of 100. I'm doing a 100-day video challenge. So anyway, again, my name is Sandi, and other than that, you guys go out and have a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is. And remember, always love what you do. Bye.